morning and welcome to Centro, everyone. I'm Yadires, Nova-Salcedo. So happy to have you with us. Now for the holidays, we need more positive stories, and here is one that we think you'll be happy about. The New England Patriots have teamed up with the American Cancer Society and the South End Community Health Center for a special campaign called Crucial Catch, Intercept Cancer. The 18-month campaign increases breast and colorectal cancer screenings at the South End Community Health Center, which serves a mostly Hispanic population. To tell us all about it, with us this morning are Korey Hofmann from the American Cancer Society and Dr. Mauch from the South End Community Health Center. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You guys have exciting news, right? We love to do positive stories, and what a great story this is. 3 different organizations coming together for one great mission, right? So what can you tell us about this brand new campaign?
Well, the Crucial Catch campaign, as you said, is 18 months, and the goal is really to increase breast and colorectal cancer screening within the health center's patient population. And so this grant actually allows the staff to spend more time working on their processes and the systems in place in the health center to make sure patients are not missing appointments, they're coming in to be screened on time, and patients who are overdue for screening come in to get those screenings.
Talk to us about this. I mean, the New England Patriots, the American Cancer Society, and then a local, clinic that has done such great work here. How does that come about? These 3 very unique organizations coming together.
Well, the Crucial Catch campaign has gone on for a number of years, and so we've been very fortunate to have the New England Patriots involved in our previous grants. So the American Cancer Society has also been very fortunate to receive funding from the NFL, and so we work with health centers who have a population in need, and we work hard to put together a good application, and we were very pleased to work with this.
And this was perfect. Dr. Maya, what can you tell us about this campaign? How excited are you guys there at South End Community Health Center?
We are super excited. We have a very large Latino population, and as you probably know, rates of cancer screenings are lower for minority populations in general and for Latino populations. So this will give us some resources both to find patients who have not come back for screenings and to help support patients who may not be able to afford to pay for these screenings themselves.
So talk to us about how the campaign works.
So I know from our perspective at the South End, this will allow us to enhance the capacity of our medical record to find patients who have not come in for their annual visits or have not been to the appointments. It'll also help us when a patient comes in for a sick visit, they're not feeling well, they have the flu or a cold, but while we have them in-house, we can say, hey, did you know that you're not up to date on your colon screening? You haven't had a mammogram. Let's get you in while you're here. And so it gives us a great opportunity to catch people, both those who haven't come in and people who come in for something else, but it's a chance for us to get them updated on their screenings while we have them in the
And you're talking about the patients, Dr. Maya. People who are watching, our viewers, they can actually call also and go to your center. Talk to us about that.
So I'm a doctor in the family medicine department. We see prenatal patient, babies, adolescents, grown-ups, and older patients. We have full range of services. The health center also has an eye clinic, dental clinic. There's a pharmacy downstairs, so we can take care of patients from cradle to old age, and we have wonderful services to help us wrap around to get people all the services that they need.
And they can just call the phone number. We actually have the number up on the screen right now. They can actually call that phone number and just make an appointment just to come in for a free screening.
They can come in to make an appointment, and then we'll help them figure out how to do a screening from there.
Okay, good. Any last-minute message for people out there about the campaign, Korey?
Well, I think it's just really important for patients to think about their health. I know this is the time of year when they're thinking about a lot of other things, but these screenings are very important.
Do you think also this is the time of year where there's so much going on, we stress even more.
Absolutely.
So think about our health even more now, correct?
That's right. And so this is, calling and making an appointment to see your doctor is a really important step in, relieving stress,
Yes.
because you've taken that step toward being healthier.
Yes. Good luck with the campaign. I hope you guys get a lot of people doing these free screenings.
Thank you so much.
you.
Okay, happy holidays.
Thank you.
For more information on the Crucial Catch Intercept Cancer campaign, or to make an appointment for a free cancer screening at the South End Community Health Center, you can call 617-425-2000. You can also get a direct link to their website and their social media pages, visiting us online at cbsboston.com/Centro. And like every week, we want to remind you that you can get more information on today's show and our past shows. You can watch both the English and the Spanish versions of Centro on our website. If you have time, visit us right now. If not, come back later for more of Centro. We also want you to connect with us online, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. I'm Yadires Nova-Salcedo, inviting you to step forward to a better you. See you next time.